Time to market, yeah, by percentage, we could quote percentages, but we can also look at what is the actual drop in number of days that is taken. And even if we remove all of that, so what? I guess the question is, so what? Yeah, you dropped it, you reduced time to market from 100 days to 20 days. So what? What difference has that made? The key difference it has made is that it allowed the organizations to learn faster from the client. Because even when the customers or our clients don't form the product launches or product increments as hypotheses, reality is that that's what they are. Of course, they believe it's certainty. So if we put this extra feature or we launch this new product, we're going to have a lot of clients lining up to get it. But they learn very, very quickly. Even when if you like, there is lock-in. And what do I mean by that? You are a very strong, well-established financial institute. You have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of customers or more. You add a feature to your either existing product, or you add a new feature that allows customers to have a better experience. That's the assumption. And then when we launch it, by tracking that, we can see, did it make their life better? Did the number of calls to the call center go up? So we put another feature in there which we believe will allow people to self-serve on their mobile app or the internet app. And what we actually find out is now we're getting a lot more how-to calls to our call center. So this new feature that we thought is going to make their jobs easier is actually increase the failure demand on us. So we're getting, the customer is getting frustrated, and we now have to put a lot more resource into trying to answer, to say, what does that mean? Well, it means move it from here to there, or what have you. So we learn from that, or the organizations learn from that. Of course, we do research before we launch this stuff. We would have done a lot of ongoing research. We would have sat down with customers, sample customers, just to show them the screens, show them the wording. We would have done all of that, but it doesn't matter how good our sampling is, it's still a limited user set. But once we go wide and launch it, we realize that that may not work the way we want it. So the key thing about reducing time to market is that we learn faster from our customers. And I mean, I sort of, if I painted a scenario where things haven't gone right or as well as we wanted it, but the flip side is sometimes they actually go really well. And then we realize this is an area where there is a lot of customer demand. It may be as simple as the server needs to have more resources to be able to cope with the extra load that is being put on it, whether that's in-house, cloud, whatever. It's still about upping the resources on the server. And also we get the opportunity to learn from the customers to say, this is really an area of interest, therefore we should be looking at more features within this area, and do more user research with our customers and see whether, if we added additional features, it will land with them. And ultimately that means better customer satisfaction, more referrals through word of mouth, customers saying being happier, delighted, and sort of referring our clients' business, therefore gaining more revenue.